Welcome back. In our last session, we talked about the importance of a thorough pre assessment and how we use immediate interventions to help you feel more relief right away. We understand that when you're feeling overwhelmed, relationship struggles are the last thing you'd want to wait for help. And that is why our focus early on is to calm the emotional chaos with practical tools like mindfulness, deep breathing, and the 5-minute pause. But the real transformation goes beyond the temporary relief. It's about understanding what's causing the disconnection, frustration, or pain at such a deep level. So today, we are diving into the next crucial phases of our work together. The post-assessment phase and the therapy sessions. These are the two phases which will unfold to help you heal, connect, and strengthen your bond. After easing some of the immediate struggle, we move into the post-assessment phase. This is where we put everything we have learned about you and your relationship into a clear, actionable steps. Think of it like your personalized relationship blueprint. We'll share a clear plan with you and your relationship, and that outlines the entire course of your therapy. This is not a generic approach. It's a personalized to fit your relationship's unique challenges and goals. Together, we'll set a short-term and long-terms together to track your progress. Short-term goals are more focused on the quick wins like the better communication, reducing the conflicts, and rebuilding the trust. The long-term goals aim to dig into a deeper, healing the old wounds, creating the lasting habits for a strong, loving relationship. Now imagine knowing exactly what you're working forward and have a clear step-by-step guide to get there. This clarity provides motivation and hope, making the journey less overwhelming and more purposeful. Once we have your roadmap ready, you dive into the main part, the therapy sessions. This is where the real change starts to happen and everything is tailored to your specific needs. Activities to improve your relationship if communication is a big struggle. We introduce but simple but very effective strategies to help you both speak and listen better. These activities turns the arguments into a meaningful conversation and teach you how to really hear each other. We also use non-violent communication, a way of sharing your feelings and needs without blame or criticism. Helping with individual struggles, sometimes the problem is not just between you and your partner, but also the challenges you face personally, like the anxiety or stress. For this, we use techniques like the CBT and ACT, the acceptance commitment therapy, to help you break these negative thought patterns and stay committed to positive actions. This is like learning how to steer your mind in a healthier direction, even when the life gets tough. Managing the intense emotions, we teach you ways to handle the big emotions with more control. The practical strategies like the deep breathing and mindfulness are like learning to pump the brakes when your emotions are racing so you can respond more calmly instead of reacting very impulsively. Healing these emotional wounds of the past, which you might still be holding and hurting you and your relationship back, we help you work through them. By exploring things like your attachment styles, your values, your love languages, we create a deeper understanding and connection. Imagine how empowering it feels to have the right tools for your challenges. Whether it's staying confident even when you feel anxious, expressing yourself without a fear of conflict, or reconnecting with your partner in a meaningful ways. These sessions gives you the practical skills that lead to real lasting improvements. Our work doesn't stop when you make the progress. The relationship needs a regular care, just like anything valuable. And that's why we offer the booster sessions once or twice a year. These check-ins help you keep your relationship strong, celebrates your growth, and make adjustments as needed. Think of them like your tune-ups to help your bond get healthy and running smoothly. Our approach isn't about the quick fixes. It's about creating a lasting, meaningful change. By taking the small steps, consistent steps, you will be building a love that feels secure, joyful, and deeply connected. We work alongside you, goal by goal, celebrating every milestone. So by the end of this process, you'll feel like you've not only survived the struggles, but you have also transformed your relationship into something beautiful and resilient. So ask yourself, are you ready to move beyond the pain and build a relationship that's not only stable, but full of joy and correction? If your answer is yes, we are here ready to guide you at every step of the way. So let's get started on this incredible journey together.